Hello, everyone. Me and Jody and Addie's are gonna out
This is
walking
my
around.
new pet, Squirmy. La la la. It's a raccoon. He's
What
very good. I'm going to take him on the hike with us.
We're out checking out the scenery here at Mount Magazine.
Squirmy. You know, he's so squirmy. Look, he just did a
Backflip.
Yeah. Ooh, good job, Squirmy.
I hope it's clear in the morning so we can see the sunrise.
Yeah,
It's Mount Magazine Lodge. It's a pretty place. It's getting cool up on this mountain though. It's about 65 degrees, maybe 70.
Oh, guys, look! Look what I found!
Yeah,
These are daffodils.
daffodils.
Yeah. I found them. He wants to sit on this for a minute. Okay, he's done. He's done. Hold on. Oh, wormy.
Hmm.
There's our room. Second one.
Yeah, we're the second balcony up there.
That's our room. Guys, everybody say hi to Squirmy. They're so squirmy.
We had a good time at the
Oh no.
Arkansas River Valley,
Ooh, little bird.
Blue Mountain Lake Homesteader meetup. Everybody had a good time. It was fun. We'll go back over in the morning, see if they need any help cleaning up.
No.
But right now we're out exercising now, I guess. Not for sure.
Jog.
We're walking. Let's y'all look
I don't want to walk.
some of the scenery down in there.
Look at that.
It's pretty down in there. I don't know if you can see it. But it's, there you are. Bringing in some. It's a beautiful place up there though.
Daffodils. Oh. You hurt your neck a little? Squirmy hit.
Don't we? Hey,
It's named Squirmy. It is Squirmy. Oh no. Oh, yeah.
got some pretty views here on the mountain.
Oh, yeah.
My camera lens looks like it's a little dirty. We're right there on that point, right there. There's a little island. Well, that's one of the focus on my finger is the island right there. Yeah, I mean, it's got some pretty scenery. It's really nice. If y'all ever come up to Arkansas, stop in and check it out. That's the dining room.
Yeah.
Got some pretty good food. We just got done eating.
Yeah.
But they had some good food in there. I tried grilled fish.
Oh.
They did a pretty good job. It was good.
Yeah,
We're-
Squirmy is not doing a good job. Oh my, ow, Squirmy.
Addie had a good time. She ate a whole bowl of green olives a while ago.
Yeah. Because they were just so
And we,
They were so, oh my gosh, Squirmy.
we're just out trying to give y'all some beauty.
Papa, Squirmy scratched me. Dad, Squirmy.
But I mean, it's got some pretty views. They got a cabins. There's one of the cabins right up there. And it's a view of the lodge. It's a really nice place. If you're ever up here, you ought to check it out.
Would you guys tell you? Scratch me. Papa, he's trying to scratch
know
me
what-
again.
I don't know what time it is. Let's see.
Yeah, me either. And it's
It's 8:02 and it's
past,
still pretty light.
it's past Squirmy's bedtime. And Squirmy's acting so bad.
It's got some pretty views. Tomorrow we're gonna get out after we get down there. We got another lake up here on the mountain we're gonna go check out.
Here. Oh, wishing flowers. I wish Squirmy just stopped acting bad. Squirmy.
But they got several cabins. I don't know how many.
Our raccoon's blind. Papa, our raccoon's
Huh.
blind. Papa, our raccoon's blind. That is pretty.
Yeah.
What?
It'd be nice to get a bunch of people come rent one of the big cabins.
Yeah.
Farming.
But where's this trail go? To go to the cabins?
Yeah.
Anyway, you got a walkway from the cabins, all the way over to the lodge. If you want to eat at the lodge, or whatever. And they got a pool. Big dining room.
No.
Let me get over here.
Papa, we just found our first animal.
That's one of their cabins. It's got all kinds of pretty woods. But they got sidewalks. We're on the trail. It's got concrete walks. And you can walk around. I know I'm just rambling on, but it's a pretty place up here. I hope everyone kind of likes the video. Trying to get some viewers, subscribers, and we're doing our best. We had a good time at the meetup. tomorrow's the last day. I think we're going to have breakfast in the morning, then cleaning up. They're having karaoke tonight, but Addie,
Today's the last day.
she got a little tired, so.
Today's the last day.
No, wait up tomorrow. And she, so we decided to bring her home. Bring her back to the lodge and rest up for a while and get ready for tomorrow.
We're leaving tomorrow.
But we'll be back on here in a minute. I'll show you some views from our room.
How
Are you
about
still taping?
This is another cabin.
another one?
It's got, they all got balconies on them. It's got a balcony outside with hot tubs. They got hot tubs.
Yeah,
Everything. They're pretty nice. I think they're pricey. They're what? How much a night?
It might have been close to 3. Can't remember.
I thought you said there's 400.
3 something, I think it was.
Papa,
Yeah, it's around 3 something a
yesterday
night.
we just got here.
Because we paid
2.
200 a night for the lodge.
That's why I said you need to get a bunch of people with you to come.
Papa, I
Yeah.
just found our first
Yeah, if you come, you know, get you a bunch to come. Everybody chip in on them.
Papa,
Be a nice place because they got grills.
First insect.
Uh-huh.
Ants. I found ants.
I think some are pretty view, doesn't it?
Yeah, and they all got beautiful views.
Did we have a log?
But they sleep 8 to 10 people, I think.
Some of them.
Some of them do. Pretty nice cabins.
It's a road. How about this is a road? How about this is a road?
Yeah,
Why are we walking on the road?
It's got a side spot to walk on.
yeah, we might see some deer. Or baby bear or something. Wouldn't you like to see a baby bear?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Look at me.
Yeah.
Even a big one?
No.
You wouldn't want to see a big bear? She don't mind the baby bears, but she don't want to see no big bear.
If it doesn't look at it, I'm fine.
But when we get back to the room, I'll show you the room. Well, you can look at our messy room, but and I'll show you the patio. But we'll be back on here in a few minutes. I had to show you this. I got a waterfall in front of the entrance of the lodge. That's the entrance.
That code. Oh, the water code. The water code.
Well, get down. Let's go. But Addie's made a mess. But it's got 2 big beds. TV in your little closet and your light stand. Your little breakfast nook, refrigerator, microwave, hot pot, a mirror to look at. Then bathroom's a little messy, but yeah, we're on vacation. Let's see. Then you got a small, well, it's not small. Anyway, you got a patio. You can come out on, drink your coffee in the morning. Then you got this beautiful view of all the mountains. You can see for miles. Mountains on top of mountains. In the morning I'll give y'all a morning view. But yeah, I hope you enjoy. Wanted to show you a bit of the mountain and the view. But we'll see y'all tomorrow on the next one. We're going to jump off here get some shut eye, and I think he gets light here about, I don't know, I was up 5 something in the daylight. So we're gonna get off here. We'll catch all y'all tomorrow. I'm gonna end this video here. So y'all have a good. Don't forget to subscribe. Tell your friends and family. Give us a thumbs up.
Tell them to get this awesome, awesome bracelet set up. You can make it for your friends.
Okay.
Or your BF.
But like I said, don't forget to subscribe, share, tell your friends and family. Give us a thumbs up if you like it. Give us a thumbs up if you don't. Leave some comments. We really appreciate it. We'll catch all of y'all later. We'll see you now.
In the comments.
You gonna say anything? You gonna tell them bye?
Put the hearts in the comments.
Put hearts in the comments. All right, we're gonna get off here. We'll see y'all. Catch you later.